Welcome to Norwood, the movie. Norwood has transformed from a sparsely populated agricultural area into a thriving hub of commerce, industry, and innovation. From the era of horse-drawn carriages to the age of electric cars, this documentary tells one town's remarkable story of growth, development, and progress. Meet a few difference makers who advanced Norwood's growth and enhanced its municipal legacy. Experience examples of the patriotic pride of the town and its citizens, and feel the strong civic pride of the community, which exists to the present day. Recognize how tightly music and sports mesh with Norwood's identity. Understand the strong religious faith celebrated by generations of citizens. Recall the iconic business names of the past. From the old to the new, from the 18th century to the 21st, it's all here. Welcome to a community with a rich history and a bright future. Welcome to Norwood, the movie.